Alright, so in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to properly implement iAds so the App Store accepts it and so that you can use iAd on multiple view controllers. You know, in case you had multiple pages that you wanted to implement iAd on, and there's an easy way to do that. So the first thing we're going to need to do is create a new application. And I'm going to call this one iAd YouTube. Alright, create. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is go into Build Phases, drop down Link Binary with Libraries, and we're going to need to import the iAd framework. So there you go, add. Alright, there it is. So that's ready. That's good to go. Now let's open up our app delegate. Okay. We're going to need to import our iAd. There it is. And now what we need to do is go here, add property, strong and non-atomic. Go. Add banner view and let's call it UI iAd. There we go. And that should be good. Alright, so now open up the implementation file for your app delegate. We're going to go in here and we're going to do this. iAd, go, yes. Add banner view, alloc, and initialize, and end it with a semicolon, and that should be it. That is it. Alright. Now we go into our first view controller, or whatever view controller you want to work with. And you're going to need to import your iAd framework into this also. iAd. There we go. And we're going to need to do this right here. Add banner view delegate. There you go. And then we can begin with an open curly bracket, close it. And type add banner view. Add view. And boolean banner is visible. Alright. Add property. Non-atomic and assign boolean banner is visible. Property strong non-atomic add banner view UINN. There we go. And that is it for a header file in the view controller. And that should be good. Alright, now let's open up our implementation. Now there's going to be a lot that we're going to do in the implementation, so it's going to take up probably more than this video, so I'll make a next video to cover all of that additional stuff. So the first thing we're going to want to do is get rid of this. You don't need it. And we're going to need to import our app delegate header file. Okay. Then we want to go down here. App delegate. And if you want the source code for all this, just for everything, you can click the link I'll have in the description. It'll take you to my site, and from there you can just download the iAd Xcode file. Delegate, there we go. And then UI application, shared application, delegate, and it is. Okay, now we need to go void view will appear animated. It's fine, good. UI iAd equals self at delegate iAd. There it is. Underscore UI iAd dot delegate equals self add view equals add banner view allocate and initialize with frame, and we're going to need this to be CG rect 0. Wrap that up. Okay. And add view dot frame. Make that equal to CG rect offset. Add view dot frame 0 and 460.0. There you go. And this will make it so that it appears at the bottom of your screen in portrait view. It will not work correctly for landscape mode. And set with object. Add banner, content size identifier. Add banner, content size identifier, portrait. Alright, and then self view, add sub view, add view, add view dot delegate equals self dot banner is visible equals no. Alright, that should be it for this part of the implementation. Okay.